Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we are exploring LUT adjustments for lifestyle photos. Open your lifestyle image in Photoshop and analyze the overall vibe. Lifestyle photos benefit from natural yet styled color grading. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview LUTs that feel airy and balanced. Choose one that enhances mood without overpowering the scene. Reduce opacity to maintain realism. Add a curves adjustment layer to refine contrast and protect highlights. Use color balance to subtly shift tones toward warm or cool depending on the environment. Zoom out and evaluate